In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a BPMN diagram in Draw.io. We'll start right inside the diagram editor. At the top of the screen, look for the menu bar and click File. From the drop-down menu, choose New. This opens the template selection dialog, which is where you can start a fresh diagram based on a preset layout instead of building everything from scratch. Using a template is a great way to save time, especially if you want a BPMN diagram structure that already follows a standard visual format. Once the dialog box appears, move to the panel on the left side. At the top of that panel, you'll see a search box. Click into it, type BPMN, and then press Enter on your keyboard. After searching, a BPMN diagram template should appear in the results. Select that template, then click Create. A new dialog box will open, giving you a few setup options before the file is created. Here you can edit the file name, choose the file type, and decide where you want to save the diagram. Take a moment to choose the option that works best for your workflow, then click Save to open the new diagram. After that, the template will load into the editor. From here, you can begin customizing the diagram. If you want to add new shapes or connectors, use the panel on the left side of the screen. This area contains the elements you can drag into your canvas, which makes it easy to build out the process visually. If you want to edit an existing shape, object, or text, simply click on it. Then use the Format panel on the right side to adjust its appearance and settings. This is where you can make visual changes and refine the diagram so it matches the process you want to present. You can also reposition any element by selecting it and dragging it to a new location. If you need to change its size, use the resize handles around the selected object. And if rotation is needed, use the rotate handle near the top right area of the selection box. For text, just select the text box or the shape that contains the text, then update the wording as needed. That's all it takes to create and begin editing a BPMN diagram in Draw.io. Once your template is open, the rest is mostly about customizing the shapes, connectors, and labels to match your process clearly and accurately.